Now, where did I get the plans for all of these pieces? Well, surprisingly, it came from a book series that I am recommending to you, ladies and gentlemen. The Workshop Companion, written by Nick Engler. This is a 20-part book series. I've picked it up from my local library, and my local library has also been able to get it from the libraries up and down the state of California. This is a great series. I have been enjoying this series, enjoying reading it, looking at a lot of different plans and for jigs and furniture, especially the jigs. Man, I'm amazed finding some great jigs. If you want to go back to basics or you're just getting started, get this book series. I am recommending it. Nick Engler is a teacher. He's obviously an author. He's a Shopsmith user. You look at some of those old Shopsmith videos, that's Nick Engler. He's also here on YouTube with his own YouTube channel called The Workshop Companion. He has shown the making of several of these jigs. And there's two versions. There's a hardback and a paperback. The hardback's the one I like getting because you'll note, ladies and gentlemen, it has this showing shop safety, and on the other side some identifying, well, let's just say a glossary there. That's the better way to put it. Identifying what am I trying to say? You'll note down the bottom there's the there's that push stick, and there's also some push blocks there and a couple other things with other boards. Go get this book series, ladies and gentlemen. Be it a beginner or be it a an experienced pro and you just kind of want to review some basics. Get this book series. Find Nick Engler's YouTube channel right here. It's called The Workshop Companion, and you'll be able to be taken right to his website if you want to order these books. I'm going to get this series. 20 parts, and my local library only has 19 of them. Why don't they have the scroll saw? Please, someone explain that to me. Why the state of California doesn't have at any local library Workshop Companion jigsaw. I don't know. I really don't.